Today we're gonna make Christmas cards for Grandma and Grandpa. Who's ready?
What you gonna need?
Markers! Yeah, markers and these papers for Christmas. Download them on iloveparavida.com. Let's start to paint. Yellow beak. Oh, adorable. Look at it. Snowman's nose. Look at its feet. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wish you I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry snow falling. I can see the snow falling from the sky. I can see snow falling from the sky. Snow falling from the sky. Oh, you can see what's Christmas. That's why it's snow on the sky. Oh, you can see what I am. Oh yeah, seeing the sky glow with the lightest snowflake. Oh, you can see what there's snow falling from the sky. Snow falling from the sky. Oh, you can see the snow is falling. The snow is falling from the sky. Thanks for watching. This card is for our Grandma and Grandpa. This one is for Grandpa. This one is for Grandma.
Okay, can you open them so they can see it?
We love you.